Welcome to this 3-minute evening wind down relaxation practice. Gently lie down or sit on your chair and allow yourself to land. Let go of your day. Take a deep breath in and a long, luxurious exhale out. Relax your jaw, your forehead, face, and shoulders. Imagine you're resting on a beach on a beautiful sunny day on warm sand. Take another deep breath in and imagine the shore is touching your toes. Imagine nice warm water gently covers your body. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale as you imagine water gently retracting back. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1, and inhale again. Notice how your body feels, how it's reaching deeper and deeper relaxation. Continue to breathe naturally. Let go of any expectations. Let go of your day, your thoughts. Let the water gently wash them away. Imagine sounds of the waves surrounding you and soothing. You are safe. You are loved and cared for. There is nowhere you need to be right now. You are a divine creature worthy of love and being nurtured. Gift yourself this moment of rest and recovery. Continue breathing and releasing. Continue breathing and filling up your lungs with relaxing air and releasing muscle tension with each out breath. Thank you for joining me in this practice. May you be well.